beach today. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Is a little bit more of a touristy area. There's some shops to shop at. There is some places to eat. We definitely had to get some ice cream before we went to the beach and enjoy some cold ice cream. It's so good. Very windy today.
How is it?
I see. Water's cold.
Is it? It's too windy.
Not the best beach.
There's the lifeguard chair. No lifeguard. Not many people here. It's actually chilly. Too chilly for my thin blood. I don't know what kind of trees these are right now, but we'll find out.
talking about sea turtles, how you can save them. At the Atlantic Beach, there is a place to have your kids play at the playground, and you can play volleyball in case you guys get tired of the beach. You can play volleyball or bring your kids to the park. Thank you so much for watching our video. I hope you guys enjoyed.
If you would like to, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment below.
And we'll see you all in the next one. Bye.
Bye.